To make guac, you take a fresh avocado, strategically placing the knife to slice all the way around and easily open it up. Then you take the knife, placing strategic cuts long ways, hot dog cuts, through the top of the avocado, and then again crisscross. You want crisscross cuts all the way down. Cut, cut, and cut. Finally, you take the spoon, inserting it in between the actual avocado and the skin, and then pop, pop, pop all the way out, just like this, just like this. Voila.
Wonderful.